Hello everyone, this is Paul with another video, and this is the Saturday morning, and we got some special things to show you. And this video here, we're going to show you a couple cool pieces. So let's get going with the video. And the first one is from Greenlight, and I got this off of eBay. And this is actually it says diecastlive.com exclusive, I believe, limited edition. And this is the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. It says Diecast Live. And Diecast Live still burning up the web, and I believe they're not around anymore. I did some research and I couldn't find anything. So this it was 2008. This is a limited edition, so let's take this out of here. And then that's what the back of the card looks like. And it has Killzone Toys. Can't read that. Diecast Fast. And Hall of Fame Display Customs on there. And then there's a little description. 69 Dodge Charger Daytona specs. Wheelbase 117 inches. It weighed 3,740 pounds. Number built 895, and price only $5,261. There you go with that, and it has this card, Diecast Live, 69 Dodge Charger Daytona, and then free membership, sign here. I guess they had a white hot Charger membership card, and then it comes with this little toolbox, plastic toolbox, that right there. And then here's the car. This Daytona, red with these flames. It's white with the white flames going in the back, and then the flames on the hood there. They're cool. The only thing I wish they wouldn't have done is put this logo here on the top. But you got detail in the back. It's pretty cool. And the hood does open on these, I believe. They're, oh, there we go. That should be hard to open, and there's a motor inside, not too much detail, but a little bit. And you got the red metal base. And this is 0642. You always put these numbers on it. Sometimes they're printed on the bottom, and then sometimes it's a sticker. And it doesn't, oh yeah, it has this is the Green Post era, which I think was the best era of Greenlight. Only thing is it has these big fat wheels. The newer releases, they kind of fix that and put what I call normal wheels, because if you look at it, I don't know, they seem a little too big. Then they could have done something with the exhaust, because look, the exhaust is all painted. You know, it costs more money, but there you go, the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona from Greenlight. And then the next one here is one I couldn't wait to get open. And this is from Mike Dyson. He just sent it to me a week or so ago. And I finally am going to open this one, and this is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird from Racing Champions, number 43, and it says Petty Racing 50th anniversary right there. And we'll get this thing out of here. I already cut the thing open. Out. And there's the card. Richard Petty himself. NASCAR. And then on the back, I don't know how we could do this. If you want to read that little description there, you can pause the video. And it says 50th anniversary, Petty Racing, and then Richard Petty's autograph. And then if you want, the Racing Champions put this little box here and you get the driver's signature. Dodge and the association with Atlas trademark licensing in auto sports. And let's see if we can find a date on this thing. I don't see one. Hmm. 1999 it says. And then let's look at the car. Puts it in this little thing like this. That's cool. And take it off the base here. And here we go. And this is pretty cool. In this Petty blue, number 43. And you got all those other sponsors on there. Bell, Goodyear, Union, Preston, Champion. Then Plymouth by Petty. And Goodyear on the wing. And you got the roll cage in there with the net. 426 cubic inch. And there's the other side. One seat. It's kind of basic inside. Then this is a plastic base. And let's see what it says here. Racing Champions. This product is produced under license with Chrysler Corporation. And let's see. And the wheels are actually rubber. So pretty cool. Goodyear Eagle. And 43 in the back. And not too bad. The hood doesn't open. Anything like that. Pretty cool piece. So there you go, folks. And again, thank you, Mike Dyson, for sending this cool piece. I love it. Richard Petty, as you know, is my favorite NASCAR driver of all time. He's a legend. His car is a legend. And he has 200 NASCAR victories. The most in NASCAR to this date. So there you go. And thank you everybody for watching this video. And we'll catch you at the next video, which I'm going to do pretty soon. So thank you again for watching this, and thank you again, Mike Dyson, for watching this, or sending this package of goodies and this car specifically. I love it, and everybody have a great day. Bye.